In my last video, I spoke to you about the myths and the facts of Abere, Hunteria umbellata. There are many misconceptions about the use and the efficacy of Abere. Many people erroneously believe Abere cures diabetes. If you have been following this channel or you are new here, I would want you to please do me a favor by pressing the like button and by sharing this video with anyone you know is suffering from diabetes. This is because so many people are using Abere wrongly and they are in the process of damaging their kidneys. You may be saving someone's life. Today I'm going to tell you how and when to use Abere. In my last video, I showed you the method I used to prepare Abere, which I believe is the best way. Another method I also use is the soaking method. Get the dried one, peel off the shells and soak, but please avoid soaking the bad ones. This is dangerous. You can soak with coconut water or soak with ordinary water. Use whatever you like. When Abere is soaked, it takes about 2 weeks before it is fully fermented, depending, of course, on the dryness of the Abere. Here I have the fresh and the dried Abere soaked in 2 different bottles. I soaked the 2 in water, and after 2 weeks, you can see the difference between the fresh and the dried Abere. There is no difference in the taste, however, it is still very bitter. Now let us talk about when to use Abere. Abere can be used to control your sugar spikes. After changing your lifestyle and you are convinced you are on your way to permanently reverse your diabetes by changing your diet and eating healthy meals. But if you find yourself in a situation you cannot control or resist, and you ate what you have previously abandoned, enjoy the moment and thereafter take your Abere. Please enjoy yourself, but don't make it a habit. Now let us talk about the quantity to take and for how long. Take half a cup of the soaked Abere. You can add more water or coconut milk if you like. If you have changed your lifestyle and eating good food, 1 single dose is sufficient. Just move on, continue eating healthy, and enjoy long life free from diabetes symptoms. Please do not be deceived. Diabetes is reversible only through lifestyle changes. Abere on its own cannot reverse diabetes and should not be taken every day. If it is too concentrated, please add water before you drink. And if you drink this before bed, when you test your blood sugar the following morning, you will be happy you are still in control. Diabetes is reversible. Change your lifestyle. Eat well. Life is good. Reverse your diabetes naturally. Look out for more tips in my upcoming videos. God bless you.